Hello everyone. Today you will be working on CKLA Skills Unit 2, Lesson 3. In this lesson, you will read and write the long vowel sound A with the vowel digraph A space E. You will also read and understand decodable text. Today's sound is A as in late. Repeat after me. A, A, A. The words I'm going to say have the A sound at the beginning of the word. Repeat after me. Aim, ape, ate, ale. These next words have the A sound in the middle of the word. Repeat after me. Game, tape, cake, main. These words have the A sound at the end of the word. Repeat after me. May, play, day, stay. Do you think A is a vowel sound or a consonant sound? A is a vowel sound. This sound is made with an open mouth with the air flowing through your mouth. I'm now going to show you how to write the A sound. The spelling for A is a little different from other spellings that you have learned so far. You notice there is an A, but then there is a space, then an E. The two letters A and E work together to stand for the A sound. I'm going to write this for you. Please watch. A, leave a space, E. I'm going to draw a line for my space. Notice I left that space in between the letters A and E. When I write an actual word, I will fill in the space with the spelling for the sound that comes after the A sound. So now let's write an actual word. I'm going to add a G as the beginning sound of this word and an M in between our A and our E. What word did I just make? This is the word game. The letter A and the letter E work together as a letter team to stand for one sound. This is what we call a vowel digraph. That sound is A. Say A. The letters A and E are working together even though there is a letter or space between them. Let's take a look at this picture below. Here's that word again. This word is game. The word game has four letters, G, A, M, E. But the word game only has three sounds. Listen. Watch as I tap my finger to segment the word. G, A, M. Do you hear only three sounds? Let's do another. This is the word bake. I will point to each spelling in the word bake as I say its sound. B, A, K. Notice that the letters A and E only made one sound. This is called our vowel digraph. We show this by making a V with two lines under the A sound. So now I'll draw a V-shaped mark connecting both the A and the E in bake to show that it makes one sound. Remember, two letters that make one sound is called a digraph. There's your line for A, your line for E. Now it says A. This is another example of the letter team A space E spelling for the A sound. Help me sound out the word as I point to the spellings. A, This word is name. Notice that the A and the E only say one sound. So we draw our V shape from the A, our other side from the E, to make the A sound for name. Now it's your turn. Help me spell out this next word. What's the first sound? What's the second sound? Remember, this is the sound we just learned. This sound is A. Remember, this letter A is the first part of the spelling for the A sound. I will write the second part after I write the spelling for the sound that comes after the A sound. So let's continue. So far we have A. Now let's find the last sound. What is the last sound? D. So if you left the word like this and didn't add anything else to it, the word would be pronounced mad. But to spell our word with that A sound, you need to add the letter E. Now this word is made. The letter A and E work together as a team to stand for the A sound. This kind of spelling is sometimes called a magic E because the E changes the word mad to made. It also changes the word nam, which is a nonsense word, to the real word name. That E, it's pretty magical. It's also very tricky. Remember, the A and E make the A sound. Take a look at this new spelling card. Read the word at the bottom of the card. This word is cake. Say cake. Take a look at the power bar. Ooh, this is a mid-length power bar. That means that the A sound is sometimes spelled this way, but it's not always spelled this way. Whenever you see the spelling A space E on a worksheet or in a story for the next few lessons, it will be printed in darker, bolder ink to remind you that the two letters stand for one single sound, and that sound is A. Say A. Now, let's go back to our skills book. Open your Unit 2 skills book to workbook page 3.1. That's 3.1 in the upper right-hand corner. You will find this on page 11. That's 1-1 in the bottom right-hand corner. Don't forget to put your name on your paper. If you need more time, please feel free to pause this video and press play when you're ready. Your directions for this activity say to print the words that are said on the lines. Each of these thick black lines on the page stands for just one letter. Take a look at the example at the top of the page. Listen as I say a word. Mad. I will hold up 3 fingers. You can do the same. We do 3 fingers because there are 3 sounds in the word mad. Listen. A, D. Do you hear the 3 sounds in the word mad? The word mad has 3 sounds and is spelled with 3 letters. M, A, D. Listen as I say the word made. I will hold up 3 fingers because there are 3 sounds in the word made. Let's segment that word. A, D. The word made also has 3 sounds, but it's spelled with 4 letters. Here comes our magic E. Don't forget to add it to the end when you're writing numbers 1 through 5. Take a look at the caret or the V-shaped mark under the word made. Right there. This V-shaped mark shows that the letters A and E are working together even though they are not right next to each other. Place your fingers on the A and E in your workbook within the word made. What sound do these 2 letters make? These letters say A. What do we call the letters A and E when they are working together? Do you remember? We call them a letter team or a vowel team. You can also call these vowel digraphs. All are correct. So now we can do our activity. I will say more word pairs. You can repeat the words. Then I want you to segment or break apart the words into each sound and write each sound on the lines. I will also say the word in a sentence. Remember that the A sound is spelled with the vowel team A-E. Number 1, can. Segment that word. K, A, N. Now let's write our next pair. We had can. Let's change it to cane. Don't forget your magic E. Number 2, tap. T, A, P. Write the letters on the line for tap. Let's use our magic E to change tap to tape. T, A, P. Don't forget your magic E. Number 3, fat. F, A, T. Now let's change fat to fate. F, A, T. Don't forget your magic E. Number 4, rat. A, T. Now let's use our magic E to change rat to rate. A, T. Don't forget your magic E. And lastly, let's do number 5. Plan. Ooh, this is a tricky one. P, O, A, N. Plan. Now let's change plan to plain with our magic E. P, O, A, N. Now you can turn to worksheet 3.2. You can use worksheet 3.2 to practice reading with a family member. You do not need to submit a photo of this worksheet. This is just for practice. Now let's go over our work that you will submit today. You will submit the digraph dictation sheet that we just finished for the A sound, which is worksheet 3.1, page 11 only. Remember to submit a clear photo of this worksheet in the assignments link on Canvas. I hope you did awesome work. Remember, if you need to go back and listen to part of the video again, please do so. Have an awesome day. Goodbye.